The Guernsey Lake Retreat is an absolute hidden gem located just outside of Guernsey State Park in Platte County, Wyoming. Situated on 13 acres made up of 2 separate parcels of rolling hills and tree-filled canyons, the retreat provides plenty of space and comfort to take in all of the area's surrounding natural beauty. A variety of Wyoming critters and wildlife call the area home and can be found roaming the neighborhood at their leisure. The rustic 3-bedroom, 3-bath custom home was built in 2022 and totals 2,800 square feet. The upgraded finishes are noticeable throughout and provide a comfortable and inviting tone. The showpiece kitchen offers a Wolf gas stove with a Zephyr cooking hood, as well as Gen-Air double ovens and a see-through Sub-Zero refrigerator. Large windows wrap around the living room, allowing the surrounding scenery to pour into the home, while the large fireplace sets the mood. Custom iron railing, beetle kill tongue and groove ceilings, and a wraparound composite deck all help complete the finishes. The master bedroom offers plenty of space and a large bathroom that features a dual shower head stone shower. Outside, you will find a fenced-in yard, a 38 by 52 steel frame and insulated building with 14 and 10-foot overhead doors, and an unfinished cabin shell with a half loft and spray foam insulation. The retreat is well served by an excellent water well that operates at 60 gallons per minute. The property is only a 5-minute drive from the boat ramp at Guernsey Lake and is located between the North Platte River and the Haystack Mountains. The region is an outdoor adventurous dream, offering world-class recreation with lakes, rivers, biking trails, and golfing. At Guernsey State Park, you can camp, fish, boat, enjoy the scenic views and wildlife, and more. Guernsey Lake Retreat is a short drive back to the town of Guernsey for all the necessary supplies one might need or want, and is just over an hour to the Wyoming state capital in Cheyenne. From there, another hour south gets you into the hustle and bustle of the Colorado Front Range and all it has to offer. This is an exceptional opportunity to own a beautiful piece of the vanishing last frontier in the great state of Wyoming. For your own private showing, please contact Matt Munford.